Join me as I dive into the 10 most profitable investments in Canada for 2024 and see if I can spot the next big opportunity before everyone else. Making informed financial decisions is crucial in today's fast-paced economy. With so many investment opportunities available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. But the truth is, not all investments are created equal. Some have the potential to generate significant returns, while others may leave you in the red. In 2024, it's more important than ever to stay ahead of the curve and make smart investment choices. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's essential to stay informed about the most profitable investments available. So, let's take a closer look at the top investments that are projected to yield the highest returns this year. When it comes to investing, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for someone else may not work for you. That's why it's crucial to understand your financial goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions that align with your goals. As we dive into the most profitable investments in Canada for 2024, keep in mind that it's essential to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor if needed. With that said, let's get started. Investors face numerous challenges in today's fluctuating market. One of the biggest hurdles is navigating the vast array of investment options available. From stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds, it can be difficult to determine which investments will yield the highest returns. Another challenge investors face is staying up to date with market trends and news. With so much information available, it's easy to get lost in the noise. Additionally, emotional decision-making can be a significant obstacle for many investors. Fear and greed can lead to impulsive decisions that can ultimately cost you money. Furthermore, investors must also contend with market volatility. Even the most promising investments can be affected by unforeseen events, making it essential to have a long-term perspective and a solid investment strategy. Diversification is another key aspect of successful investing. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can reduce risk and increase potential returns. However, diversification can be a double-edged sword, and it's crucial to strike the right balance. Market research and analysis are also critical components of successful investing. By staying informed about market trends and developments, you can make more informed investment decisions. However, it's essential to critically evaluate the information available and avoid getting caught up in speculation or hype. Moreover, investors must also be aware of the fees and commissions associated with different investments. These costs can eat into your returns, so it's crucial to choose investments with competitive fees. Tax implications are another important consideration for investors. Depending on the type of investment, you may be subject to different tax rates or exemptions. By understanding the tax implications of your investments, you can minimize your tax liabilities and maximize your returns. In addition to these challenges, investors must also contend with the ever-present risk of fraud and scams. With so many investment opportunities available, it's essential to do your due diligence and research the investment thoroughly before committing. As we navigate the complex world of investing, it's essential to stay focused on our goals and avoid getting caught up in the hype. By doing so, we can make more informed decisions and increase our chances of success. In Canada, there are numerous investment options available, each with its unique benefits and risks. From real estate and stocks to mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, the choices can be overwhelming. Real estate, for instance, has long been a popular investment option in Canada. With the country's robust housing market, many investors have made significant returns through real estate investing. However, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks, including market fluctuations and illiquidity. Stocks are another popular investment option in Canada. With the Toronto Stock Exchange being one of the largest in the world, there are numerous opportunities to invest in Canadian companies. However, stocks can be volatile, and investors must be prepared for potential losses. Mutual funds, on the other hand, offer a more diversified investment portfolio, spreading risk across different asset classes. This can be an attractive option for investors who want to minimize risk while still generating returns. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are another popular option, offering investors a low-cost way to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets. Like mutual funds, ETFs can be an attractive option for investors who want to minimize risk while still generating returns. Other investment options available in Canada include bonds, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Each of these options has its unique benefits and risks, and it's essential to understand them thoroughly before making any investment decisions. As we explore these investment options, it's essential to remember that past performance is not always indicative of future results. It's crucial to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor if needed. With so many investment options available, it's essential to evaluate each option carefully, considering factors such as risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon. By doing so, you can make more informed decisions and increase your chances of success. Now, let's take a closer look at the top 5 investments that are projected to yield the highest returns in 2024. These investments have been carefully selected based on their potential for growth, stability, and income generation. Coming in at number 5 is the Canadian Real Estate Investment Trust, or REIT. With Canada's robust housing market, REITs offer investors a way to tap into the real estate sector without directly investing in physical properties. At number 4, we have the dividend-paying stocks of Canadian energy companies. With the oil and gas sector expected to remain strong in 2024, these dividend-paying stocks offer investors a way to generate income while still benefiting from potential capital appreciation. Coming in at number 3 is the technology sector, with companies such as Shopify and BlackBerry leading the charge. With e-commerce and technology continuing to shape the global economy, these stocks are expected to generate significant returns in 2024. At number 2, we have the Canadian bond market, offering investors a way to generate stable returns through fixed income investments. With interest rates expected to remain low in 2024, bonds can be an attractive option for investors seeking stability. And finally, at number 1, we have the Canadian ETFs tracking the S&P/TSX Composite Index. With its diversified portfolio of Canadian stocks, this ETF offers investors a way to tap into the broader Canadian equity market while minimizing risk. As we wrap up our exploration of the most profitable investments in Canada for 2024, it's essential to remember that investing is a long-term game. While these investments are projected to yield high returns, it's crucial to stay focused on your financial goals and avoid getting caught up in the hype. By staying informed, doing your own research, and consulting with a financial advisor if needed, you can make more informed investment decisions and increase your chances of success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more investment tips and insights. And if you want to learn more about the top investments for 2024, be sure to check out my other videos.